Hi guys, a blessed good day to you all. Thank you for stopping by. If you want to see how I make these amazing yams, stay tuned to the channel. Okay guys, so I have all my ingredients prepped ahead of time because I like to be organized when I'm in the kitchen. Here I have some sweet potatoes. I'll be using brown sugar. If you want to use granulated sugar, you sure can. I have freshly squeezed orange juice, some orange zest, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. I have vanilla extract and salted butter. So here to the sugar, I will add the spices, give that a good mix and set aside. Next, we'll combine the orange juice, vanilla, and the orange zest. Give it a good mix and then we'll pour it over top of the sweet potatoes, give it a little toss, and we'll prepare to assemble everything. Now, if you're using unsalted butter, you want to add like a pinch of salt to the recipe. So we will put half of our sweet potatoes down here, and then we will add that sugar and spices. And we will repeat the same step, add another layer, and we will add the last set of sugar and spices. We will top it with our butter, and that's basically it, guys. Super simple and easy recipe. We will cover this and place it in a 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. After about an hour, your potatoes should soften up nicely. Now what I like to do is pour my juices out into a saucepan because the juices are a bit runny, and I like to add a little cornstarch just to thicken it up. Then I pour it over top of my lovely sweet potatoes and serve it. This is such an amazing recipe, but it's absolutely easy, simple. Anyone can do this, trust me. Your family will be talking about these yams at the Thanksgiving table. And here you have it, my version of candied yams. It is so delicious. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps the channel out a lot. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.